Welcome man to Alphamantraining live videos. So June 6th, yesterday. June 4, June 4, 2020, pickup Infield rapport. So before, like maybe 1 hour back, like I went to pick up. So I drove to city center, and the girl was sitting in a bus. I approached here, all the people wearing masks. So I approached it. My opener was suitable for that situation, and she responded really well. What I noticed, the dressing style really works well. She responded really well. She is a professional swimmer. That's why her body is very beautiful. What else? She's from Vilnius, Lithuania. She grown up here, and she signed up for gym, but dropped it out because somehow she didn't like it. She said like it requires a lot of time, money, and it's not for me because I'm a water girl. So she loves water like a fish. And so we drove maybe 15 minutes. I told I did the AMT techniques, touched here, and we started to walk in the city center because her female friend is working in the city center. And we walked through city center. So her female friend was working on the right, and I needed to go straight. So we exchanged numbers, and probably tomorrow or after tomorrow we will meet again in city center. So definitely I define this pickup approach as successful because she definitely liked me. She asked a lot of questions and other things. So I think I definitely gonna meet here. So what else I want to say? I also today went to the gym, and I approached a girl on a treadmill. She was working out. And I generated to continue with her working. So we continued together working out. Finished. She went to women's changing room. I went to men's changing room. We changed. We went back from gym, and we exchanged numbers. Why I didn't make same day lay with her? Because she was not type of a same day lay girl. Like I could burn out here if I could push here for same day lay. So instead of that, I stepped back and I seduced it here in that way. So I would define two successful approaches today. I also have maybe 1 hour till it will be too late here. So definitely gonna drive once again to city center, and maybe will approach some girls, but definitely I would say those two main good approaches was successful today, and I'm really happy. You can do that as well. I created DVD from approach to sex in the gym. How I do this, I illustrated with Infield example, so you can do that as well. So check the product below from approach to sex in the gym, and pick up online training courses where I train how to approach women on the street, at shopping center, anywhere, anytime you see here. So wish you good luck, and until next time.